Are you looking for a safe and easy way to get on and off your boat without fear of stumbling or falling down? Watch today's video. I think we got your answer. Alright, so everything that you need is included in the kit. You get the step system, a mounting bracket, and then the mounting kit for the hand grab or the top rail. It also shows instructions. This is a very simple install. Just to go over some of the benefits of this. This is a black powder coated system, so everything is protected against the weather. So if you're in a salty or just a consistent wet condition, these are powder coated, so they're sealed. It's very heavy duty. It's very nicely built. The welds all look great. What's really nice is you have these steps with these raised treads, and that gives you more grip when you're going up. These also have holes in them for drainage, and also just if you're in a sandy condition, everything just falls down below. Sand doesn't collect up here, and it's just a really nice put together system. Just excited to put this together because we've been needing it for so long. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and mount the step system to the boat trailer frame. We're going to go ahead and put it right here. There's also another design that has a top mount, just in case your situation isn't the same as this, but this is what is fitted for this particular trailer. So one of the first things, the tool I use is called a dog bone. If you don't have one of these, I would definitely get one. You can also use open end wrenches. So the backing plate has square notches out of it, and that's to make it adjustable. So you will put the two holes to the top and then the adjusting ones at the bottom. These have square notch outs in them. That's for the carriage bolt. It has a square part on it, and that will actually fit in there and lock that in. So this is the back mounting plate. That's going to go on the inside of the trailer here. And then we have our step bracket that will come to the outside. I'm going to go ahead and install my bolts through the step bracket and face the threaded parts to the inside of the trailer. I don't really care to do this, install them from the other side. It's going to end up leaving me a edge here, and I don't want somebody to catch their foot on that and end up tripping going up or going down. So we'll go ahead and pop in our carriage bolts. And this, just by chance, is a 2x4 frame. This system has a lot of different applications, up to a 4x4 trailer frame. So you have different trailers, and this will accommodate that. So we'll go ahead and get our steps up. And I'm just going to do everything loosely until I finally get it to placed where I want it. So we're going to take our round washers. Okay. Now that that's in place, I'm going to go ahead and slip in the lower ones and get this locked in so I can go ahead and adjust it to where we're going to want it. Okay, I've got the step actually sitting nice and loose, and I'm going to go ahead and put the handrail on. The reason I want to do that is I want to make sure that when I bring the boat in to moor it on the trailer, I don't want to end up hitting that rail. So we'll get that done, and then we'll tighten everything up and make it secure. Alright, so for the handrail, they provide, of course, the rail, a Allen wrench, the bolts, lock washers, and also regular washers. On the bottom of the hand grip, they've already attached the nuts on there, so all you have to do is screw those in. So I'm just going to take our bolt, our lock washer, and then our flat washer, okay, and get this into place. And this I will go ahead and tighten down. Okay, and then we have our top piece, and it comes in two different pieces, obviously because of shipping. So now that everything's installed, we're still loose here, and I want to just go ahead and adjust this to the boat. So that is actually pretty good. So I'm just going to have to leave it there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dog bone wrench. Okay, there we go. And again, that's a 19 millimeter for those. And we'll just put this to the side. And as you can see, it is extremely sturdy. I mean, like super sturdy. They have done such a great job with this. It just feels so natural just to walk up. It's unbelievable. I honestly wish I would have done this years ago. This is a great addition to our boating experience. We have grandkids from age 2 to 5, and they struggle to get on the boat, this is going to make things so much easier and life so much simpler and safer. It's so funny, my wife and I were just talking about this on our last boating trip. It would be really nice if we had some steps to get up on the boat, because it does sit very high. And our par offered these to us, and they said, would you try this out? Would you install it and do a video on it? We said, absolutely. So we truly appreciate them for giving us this system. Once again, it's got the 3-step design, extremely sturdy. The welds are great. It's all powder coated. No problem with any type of rust. I'm just super happy with the system. If you're looking for a great way to get into your boat without having to get on the frame and end up getting hurt, falling down, or twisting an ankle, I would definitely suggest putting steps on, and I would definitely suggest these All-Par steps that they offer. It's just a great design, and I'm just super happy with the product. I thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helps you on your decision on your boat steps.